Hey, 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 it's framing day. Today we are finishing up on the main house, and then we are going to start on the guest house, so it's pretty exciting. Probably about an hour more on the main house, and then they'll get started on the guest house today. Hopefully we'll finish because it's going to be bad weather most of the week after today. Wow, looks like they already finished up the main house. Let's go check out the guest house. So this is kind of cool. I'm standing in the back corner of the guest house, which is where the bathroom is, and we're seeing the main house here. And they've already put the sheathing on this wall, this exterior wall. There's no windows in this wall, so it's flush. But this here is the window wall that faces the creek. So that's pretty cool to see. So let's walk over here and see what the view is from this window. And there's the creek. Pretty soon that silt fence will be gone. I'll be happy to see it go. And there'll be another view from this back end of the house into that wooded area. And then there's the creek way beyond. You can't really see it from here because of all the trees. But this would be a nice private space for whoever might be staying here. So I'm here checking out the job site today. It rained starting about 4:30 this morning, and it's 1:30 in the afternoon. It just stopped raining, so I wanted to see kind of what it looked like here. It's a little wet inside the house, but I'm gonna try to get some of the water out. But looking outside, there's no real giant puddles or standing water, which is good, because we were hoping that no water would be running toward the house or toward any areas that would cause a problem. And it's looking good, so I'm gonna get started. So I'm done getting rid of all of the water inside of the house for the most part, as much as I could get out without having the tools that I need. What I really needed was a shop vac, but that's in the storage unit. And another thing I needed was probably a big pile of sawdust to put on top of the, puddles to soak that up. But guess what? I swept up all the sawdust yesterday. So pro tip number 1 from Jana: quit being so awesome all the time. Well, the battery's getting low, so I'm going to take a few pictures. Well, I'm going to wrap it up for today. We'll see you next time.